This is my friend the onion. This is my friend the chef's knife. And today we're gonna cut this onion real good. And you know why? Because it's important to learn knife skills. The onion. There's a root and a non-root part. We're gonna make sure that we cut the root in half. It's very important. Take it all off. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna put your hand flat. Don't go like this. Don't put your hands like this because you're gonna cut your fingers off, okay? Flat, flat. I'm gonna use the sharpness to cut through almost to the end of the root, but don't cut the root. I'm gonna do it again. This is how you can either chop or get a quarter dice or a brunoise. Then the next thing you're gonna do, we're gonna slice it this way on the ridge. But you're not gonna go all the way to the root. You're not gonna go all the way to the root. See, the root is still intact. And then now you're gonna do your last cut. I wouldn't worry about the speed. The speed will come next. So you see how I have my hands? No, like this. And you can grab here and here. Now you'll chop. And now you have your onions. This is a knife. We're gonna learn how to use this today. That doesn't sound good.
That was really great, actually. Okay.
I don't think I'm gonna be talking that loud during something like this.
Yeah. No, you just need to. You just need to talk. All right. So just talk to that camera.
Oh, that's still going?
Yeah, it's still going.
Oh, okay. Okay. Kitchen basics. See, that's what I would do and it would make the thing go up. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, do another take. So just run through them. Do about.
Hey everybody, today, I don't want to say everybody. Hey. Another one?
Yeah, do one more. Yeah. Okay. Can you imagine, can you feel that in your body? What does that feel like?
Yeah, it feels like this.
You get energized by it?
No, I don't get energized.
Or do you feel like you have a superpower?
No.